Now for years, Primo Maxx has been our go-to plant growth regulator as far as maintaining great color, suppressing growth rates, and overall just improving turf hardiness. But one of the challenges with Primo is that if you have a lawn that has a mixture of common and hybrid Bermuda, the application rate that's correct can be a bit of a challenge. The application rate for Primo when it comes to common Bermuda is 0.75 ounces per 1,000 square feet, whereas for hybrid, it's 0.25 ounces. So the rate for common is 3 times higher than the rate that you should be using on hybrid Bermuda grass. So you've got a lawn that's got a blend of common and hybrid. What do? Well, I learned about a new growth regulator from the folks at Anuew Farm that I want to share with you guys today. It's called Anuew EZ. Now, the cool thing about Anuew is that there's really one application rate for both hybrid and common Bermuda. The negative to this plant growth regulator is it doesn't quite last as long as Primo does. So talking to the folks at Anuew Farm and doing some testing on my own, you can blend both of these products together, meaning you can spray both Primo and Anuew at low rates and get an amazing result. So the application rate that I use whenever I'm blending these two is 1/4 ounce, so the low application rate for Primo, so the rate that is correct for hybrid Bermuda, so 0.25 ounces per 1,000 square feet. And then the application rate for Anuew is a pretty broad one, so it ranges anywhere from 0.2 fluid ounces if you've got cool season turf grass, all the way up to 1.2 ounces if you've got like warm season turf grass. So what I found works well is, again, sticking to the lower end of that application rate. What I end up doing is I mix 0.5 fluid ounces or 1/2 ounce of Anuew in a gallon of water over 1,000 square feet. Mixing these two together give you really the best of both worlds in that Primo has longer regulation than Anuew does, but Anuew regulates more evenly. So you're using this to smooth out the differences in appearance between hybrid and Bermuda as far as growth rates, and then Primo gives you that extended coverage so your lawn never really comes out of regulation. So how would you mix these? If you're using a 4-gallon backpack sprayer like I have here, and you're spraying 4,000 square feet out of a tank full, what you would end up using is 0.5 fluid ounces or 1/2 ounce of Primo Maxx in 4 gallons of water, and you would use 2 ounces of Anuew, so 0.5 times 4, 2 ounces of Anuew EZ in 4 gallons of water, and again, that gets sprayed over 4,000 square feet. That's going to produce a really good result. What you're going to find is in a couple of days, in a couple of days after application, you are going to see that the growth rate of the lawn slow down substantially. And these two together work better than just applying Primo by itself alone or by applying Anuew alone. I've tested them at various rates, and that low rate, 1/2 ounce, 0.5 fluid ounces per 1,000, coupled with Primo at its low rate, really produces a great result. You're not using too much product, you don't get any tip burn, and it does a great job of masking the appearance of common Bermuda in a hybrid Bermuda lawn. We can't really get rid of common Bermuda, unfortunately. There's not really a selective way to eliminate it, but hiding its appearance is the next best thing. And Anuew EZ combined with Primo allows you to do just that. Hopefully you guys got some value out of this. If you're looking to get both Primo and Anuew, you can get them both at the Golf Course Lawn Store. We have a kit that includes both of these plant growth regulators, which saves you a little bit of money. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.